next performer, no stranger to the horrific stage. She has graced us nearly every year. We are going to be bringing out a few little items to help enhance this evening's performance. I was asking her a bit about her piece, and she wanted to tell me that this is truly a touching story here, full of devotion, love. This is all part of this. This is all part of this. It's a very nice and detailed story. Oh, there it is. A truly deep and meaningful story. A love story between a homicidal maniac and their chainsaw. Please welcome to the stage with Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Katy Houseman!
The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths, in particular Sally Hardesty and her invalid brother Franklin. It is all the more tragic in that they were young, but had they lived very, very long lives, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.